Hello and welcome back to another interstellar video. Today I'm going to quickly go over the severe thunderstorms for today and a brief preview of what could be happening tomorrow. So let's go through the NAM 3 km model. We have our slow moving cold front. It's right in here, I believe, with this little dip in the isobar here. But as we move throughout the day, low pressure forms again, and we see some thunderstorms in Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama maybe. And we eventually see another low pressure form now into Monday, and we see thunderstorms and potentially severe thunderstorms rolling through areas such as New York, Philadelphia, DC, Baltimore, and I think that by the time it gets to Boston, it'll be settled down, but we could see severe thunderstorms throughout the day on Monday in parts of the Northeast. So, video on that coming out tomorrow, but that is the quick update for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.